Here is a small tutorial on how to use the Slack workspace. So after I've sent you the mail or the invite link for the Slack, you should be getting a email, something like that. On opening the email, you should get a email in this format. So you can see here, Swastik IIA started a conversation with you in Slack. So what you have to do is that you have to click join the conversation. So once you join the conversation, it will ask you join Python Swastik on Slack. So what you have to do is that you can create an account or you can sign in with Google. So here I'm signing it with Google. So then you have to click your like sign in with whatever email address you have, and then you have to create account here. So I already have an account, so it should not be a problem. So once you click on this, you should be able to join in on this. So you can see here, here all three are Swastik. So I just created three different accounts, so I should be able to see you. And there is Q&A channel is there, so you will be automatically joined in this channel. So after this, you don't see these add people and connect app, you don't need as of now. Those settings are not for you. And if you have any question, you can just put here. So hi, this is a test mail. I'll just show you on this, and then if I send you, so you should be getting this. So there is another channel which I'm creating. So channel name will be introduction. So you have, whenever you join this channel, just introduce yourself, who are you, and if you want, or at least just type a hi so that I know that you have joined in the channel. So yeah, so I will add everyone to this channel. So introduction and Q&A should be you should be joined in this channel automatically. In case you are not joined in, just click here browse channels. So on browsing, there are three channels: joined, introduction, and Q&A. So generally you should be always there, I suppose. For introduction and Q&A, you should, in case you are not joining, you should join these two channels also. So for most of your questions throughout the classes, we will be posting it in Q&A. So I hope you all do not face any difficulty in joining the Slack. Still, in any case, if you feel any difficulty in joining the Slack, you can just email me. So if you are using Android app or iOS mobile, you should be able to download the app in your mobile as well. So it's like more or less like an WhatsApp. So you have the app, so you can download it from the um, Android as well as Mac OS. For desktop also you can have the app. So I'll just show you how does it work. So for my case, I have not downloaded the Slack app for my laptop, but I can download it. Oh, I do have downloaded here. So just clicking on this, it should show my previous conversation. So yeah, so this is how it works. So it's more or less like a WhatsApp without sharing your number. So I'll not be showing all these applications here. So yeah, thank you so much for your attention. Hope you do not face any difficulty in this.